I'm doing another sculpture in Blender because, well, it's fun. I'm not really sure what this guy is. Some kind of alien or demon, maybe. There's no real inspiration for it. I just started making shapes and worked out something that I felt looked kind of interesting. Still haven't quite figured out how to decimate it properly to where it looks good still, but isn't so polygoned. I can't really do anything more than spin it around without Blender crashing on me, which is also why here at the end I just give it a basic gold metal texture. But once I figure out how to decimate them properly, I might start texture painting on them if I can get them to a low enough poly count that that's not going to fry my computer. As a quick reminder, the current Community Art Showcase Challenge is weaponry. So if you want to take part in that, make something with the prompt of weaponry and post it to the channel Discord before the end of the 31st. If you have anything you'd like to see me do art-wise, please let me know. I'm probably going to get back to the making a robot with your ideas here pretty soon. It's getting pretty late, so I ought to wrap this up because I gotta be up early tomorrow for something. So if you enjoy the rest of the video, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next thing I do. Also, let me know if you'd like to hear me just talk about random subjects while I'm doing these art videos. Figured that might be fun.